Lamyanba Hijam Irawat Birthday Celebration Committee also observed the 127th birth anniversary of Lamyanba Hijam Irawat at Manipur Dramatic Union Hall, Yaiskul Police Lane today. Among others, the observance was also attended by former Speaker Lamyanba Hijam Irawat, former Ministers Dr. Nimai Chan Luang, Samuel Jendai Kamay, Kedrima Yumbirin, Chairman of JHIB Celebration Committee, Sarat Salam, and CPI leader Dr. Morangtem Nara. Speaking on the occasion, Dr. Nimai Chan Luang said Lamyanba Hijam Irawat is not only a leader of Manipur but also the entire nation. Hijam Irawat was a leader who worked towards protecting the integrity of Manipur.
Neta Irawat mayam khangna Neta Irawat ki mapung numiki celebration amma sida Manipur okoi MDU gi hall pangthokpa sida saruk yaba lagjabani Neta Irawat mayam ina khambire mahak se Manipur khaktagi natte bharot apumbagi oina achaubu neta ama ni haina laujai Neta Irawat ki wakhallon Manipur kanba Manipur gi apunba sakam sagalaga Manipur se sida nattaba anti-social activities mayam muthakna bhona badugumba achobune ta amani mahaki mafamda koina ngasi ikai kumnaba uchari.
Former Speaker Lamyanba Hijam said Lamyanba Hijam Irawat continues to inspire the current generation. He sacrificed his powerful chair for the betterment of farmers in the state.
Handaki celebration handaki Jananetagi Mapok Kumon Palon Tobu Matamasi Akoigi Manipur gi itihasta Akoigi Manipur gi history da yamna nungaitaba tangkak amadi oiba yamna ngasi tang kunfani asi loire haina lowi ai hayengdagi di anoba thama lakadorobani aduna October gi tang ahumdadi tha manga chap chana pharkadorba me gi tang ahumdagi haugiba dongna nungai kidaba Manipur da ongta thokidaba thokdo wathok adi misi lansi thokiba mayam ase akoi yam wa tangkak amada leiba aikoi masi crisis ki yamna waraba matam even chahi taret khuntak pagi waba dumaina aikoi si yamna tangu leita daba mikap mirang khol na thallaba dugumba samaj ama oibagi wari si sanaregi marak sida ngasi aihakna Lamyanba Irawat ki adugumba mathauna leiraba kathokhiba magi maringjen mathauna ado maduna aikoi punamaki maira oibidana maduna aikoi guiding torch oibidana madugi spirit adubu koi ningsingjari.